In this video, we will restore a heavily destroyed iPhone 13 Pro. The iPhone 13 Pro's screen and back cover are severely damaged. Next, we install a known good display to test the phone. The phone can be turned on. Face ID is unable to activate. There is no modem firmware. Both the front and back cameras are not working. In the first place, we replace the front and back cameras. Apply protection tape on the true depth camera assembly. After replacement, the back camera works again but only with 2x zoom. The front camera returns to function well. The malfunctioning modem firmware and cameras are caused by the motherboard middle layers. The next step is to remove the motherboard. The motherboard looks complete and not damaged. Attach the motherboard to the holder. As always, remove foam and dissipation tape. Heat the motherboard at 170 degrees Celsius. Add heat with hot air gun at 330 degrees Celsius. Remove the logic board. It can be seen that there are many missing pads. Then clean the bonding pads with soldering iron at 370 degrees Celsius and solder wick. Open the bitmap to view the missing pads. There is only one missing pad that needs to be repaired. Then we scrape to show the circuits under the pads. Clean the bonding pads with PCB cleaner. Apply some middle temperature solder paste. Solder with hot air gun. Apply some paste flux. Put the soldering lugs in position. Solder with hot air gun again. After soldering, clean the bonding pads with PCB cleaner. Apply some solder mask. Solidify with UV lamp for about 1 minute. Scrape away residue solder mask to show the pads. Then we need to recombine the motherboard. Apply some low temperature solder paste to the bonding pads. Put the signal board on the 170 degrees Celsius heating platform to heat. After the solder balls are formed, apply some paste flux. Align the logic board. Keep heating the motherboard. Install the motherboard for testing once it cools. Face ID is still not working. Modem firmware is restored. The rear camera works fine. Then we inspect the true depth camera assembly. Grind the metal plate. Remove the dot projector module. The CMOS of the infrared camera is damaged, which is unrepairable at the moment. Next, we replace a brand new back cover. Move flex cables and parts on the original back cover to the new cover. Apply new waterproof adhesive. Connect the display and turn on the phone. Everything else on the phone also works fine. That's as far as today's restoration goes. Thank you for watching.